Hello and welcome. A glimpse how the first commercial vacuum robot, the Electrolux Trilobite, performs against current and older models in a quick testing. Testing details are in the description. Let's start. First robot to perform a cleaning run is the Electrolux Trilobite. The robot was first released in 2001, and as we can see, it performs really well despite it has a somewhat saturated filter. The robot has really clean pickup passes and no issues to remove the coffee powder from the gaps. I bought the robot used, and the filter issue is one reason I will redo this testing and more things in a future video. I messed up some video footage too, what is another reason to repeat the testing. You can still buy original replacement parts like the main brush or the filters for the robot directly from Electrolux, but from my research you have to buy third-party batteries for replacement. Luckily, my unit seems to have well enough working batteries for testing purposes. The second robot is the iRobot Roomba Discovery SE, or just the Roomba SE, as it was released in Europe 2004. I also own a first-generation Roomba floorvac, but sadly it has broken treads I need to replace. The SE version is a more advanced version with more settable room or cleaning features, including the first release of the dirt detect feature that is using a piezoelectronic sensor. It is even triggering in this test, the blue light turns on. The SE also comes with a more powerful suction motor, but as we can see it does not really help. The first Roomba and sadly many other even modern vacuum robots are more sweeping machines and really far away of being a vacuum cleaner. The airflow design of the first-gen Roomba is interesting since the main rollers are separated from the actual airflow of the suction motor, so the vacuum motor does not help the main rollers to pick up dirt. But more about this in a future video. Next one is the iRobot Roomba J7, the first Roomba with a floor-leveled camera to realize a camera-based obstacle avoidance. Sadly, iRobot also replaced a big part of the front sensoring for close-range obstacle recognition, leading to heavy bumping in some short-distance circumstances. I did a video about this topic since the newly released J9 series is also affected by this issue. As we can see, even this modern vacuum robot is no match for the old Electrolux Trilobite regarding cleaning performance. The newer iterations of the iRobot cleaning head have a not-so-well sealing if it comes to hard floor cleaning, because one roller is lifted a bit to prevent bigger debris get stuck between the rollers. This reduces the usable suction and airflow. To overcome this, the J7 would need more suction and airflow like the S9 is having. As we can see, the J7 is doing mediocre. It has problems to clean the harder to clean vertical gaps, but the pickup from the horizontal ones was fine. Overall, the robot was running the full amount of 10 cleaning passes and was not able to pick up all coffee powder. Now it is time for the iRobot Roomba S9 to show if more airflow compared to the J7 does pick up coffee powder better, and as we can see, even after the first passes it does. With the J9 release, the S9 got nerfed marketing-wise and got its stated power reduced from 40 times of the 600 series to just 10 times the power. All is linked to a new testing method, and the S9 and the J9 are rated the same. From my testing, the S9 is the far superior robot in the cleaning department, especially if we have a look at carpet cleaning. A video including detailed airflow analysis and some marketing shenanigans will be uploaded in the future. The S9 comes with a 3D point cloud sensor, providing excellent corner and shape detection, and it is sad that iRobot is not improving or continuing this platform since it is providing a better airflow design, as we can see. But still, even the S9 is no match for the Trilobite. It also suffers a bit from the cleaning head design. And now we have a look at the AEG RX 9.2 or the Electrolux Pure i9.2 to see if it does any better than its predecessor. The units are the same, with Electrolux branding the robot for different markets with the AEG name. The robot is doing really well and needs less than 10 passes to pick up all of the coffee powder, but it is doing a bit worse compared to the Trilobite, I would say. It also suffers a bit from its cleaning head design. In my opinion, and from my testing, a very underrated vacuum robot. Next one to clean the area is the Neato D10. Neato was shut down by its parent company Roomba in 2023. The Neato D10 and the latest Roomba VR7 are sharing the same platform with some modifications and advanced sensoring for the VR7. As we can see, the Neato D10 is either not powerful enough or is suffering from a not so well cleaning head design to manage a well enough cleaning result. Especially, the vertical gaps are problematic. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav is the next one to show its cleaning power, and as we can see, it does a fantastic job picking up all stuff within the first cleaning run. The unit is the only one in this testing that has a fluffy combo brush that delivers a very well cleaning combined with the suction and airflow of the robot. But even with the brush bar removed, it outperforms the competition, but needed an extra run because due to the lack of the brush bar, not enough dirt is hitting the piezo sensor to trigger the boost mode. The pickup of the last leftovers was done in boost mode set manually. The last one to show its cleaning power is the Roborock S8. The unit is using the Max Plus vacuuming setting, and as we can see, even this setting is not sufficient enough to provide a good cleaning result in this test. The robot is lacking airflow and suffers from the dual roller design that has the same design issue for hard floors like the iRobot one has. The front-sided main roller is also lifted a bit to provide a good pickup of larger debris. But as already stated, this design has some sealing disadvantages. At the end, we see how the Trilobite is handling the leftovers using the spot cleaning mode of the robot, and sadly it misses a spot, but is not that bad considering the robot is nearly 23 years old. The new filters for the Trilobite just arrived, and I will redo and expand this test, adding different debris including some hard for cleaning with certified test dust. Also, the Trilobite has to stand its ground running my carpet tests. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe for future videos and helping me running the channel. All stuff was bought with my own money. Thanks for watching. Bye.